Hello and welcome to how to grow calendulas from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet it shows the growing times for your region. The second step is to dig your soil. Remove any large stones and any weeds. Step 3. Rake the soil, breaking up any large lumps. Step 4. Mark out a row using a piece of string tied between two sticks. If you're planting more than one row, then leave a distance of 10 inches between each row.
We're legal now.
Step 5. Use your rake to make a shallow groove about ½ an inch deep. Step 6. Thinly sow the seed into the groove. Step 7. Cover the seed with soil. Step 8. Give the seeds a good watering. Step 9. Mark the end of the row. It's easy to forget what you've planted when you're planting a lot of things. Step 10. Within a couple of weeks, the seedlings will begin to appear. Step 11. Keep watered and free from weeds, and then when at least 2 sets of leaves are on each plant, it's time to begin to thin them out. Remove plants, leaving a distance of 9 inches between the remaining plants. Now water the plants that you've left in. Step 12. Keep watered and weed free, and within 6 to 8 weeks flowers will begin to appear. Keep deadheading the plants to prolong the flowering season. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative, and please like it if you have. Thank you and goodbye.